baby goat. Hello, Billy. Hello. And for those of you who are wondering, where does coconut come from, or shredded coconut come from, it doesn't come from a goat. Hello, baby. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Oops, sorry. This is where shredded coconut comes from. That's right. In the Philippines, people will take the coconuts off the tree and then remove the inside of the coconuts from the shells and then dry them out in the sun. And those are secondary drying. These are preliminary. And the goats, if they get too close, will eat all the profits. Hello, baby goat. Hello, baby goat. Hello, mama. Hello. Hello. And you can stop by. Goats are very docile animals. Hello, mama. And you can pet just about any goat anywhere in the Philippines. Mein Buntag. And there are more coconuts getting ready to be processed. Mein Buntag. Buntag. And that's where your shredded coconut comes from. And this house is progressing along quite nicely. Amigo. Today they are building a bed. Buntag. Nice. Maayo kayo. Very nice. This is the finished product of the... Wow, they make this from a pattern that they make sand over here, and they make this out of they wet the sand down. They wet the sand down, and this is the finished product. Okay. My own buntag. Very nice. Is that the amo? The amo? Amo? Very nice. Beautiful job. Hello, my own buntag. Getting ready for tile? Yeah. Very nice. Stephan or you? Stephan or you? The tile. Who will do the tile? The amo. The amo. Whoa, look at this. The kitchen is, wow. And in case anybody gets tired, ha! My own buntag. Wow, the kitchen is coming along quite nicely. These were the original cabinets. They put glass doors on the original cabinets. What? In here? The CR? CR? CR is the Caecilius is the bathroom. Nice. Have a little washing machine. Caecilius. 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 Very nice. Mile Kyle. And okay, that's pretty much what the old house looked like right there. Okay, Toyok means go around. More construction. Look at this. Maayo kayo. Buntag. Mayang gabi. Buntag tunod ka, buntag. Amo. Mein Buntag, Felix. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I present Felix with the name of the video. Mein Buntag, amiga. There's the kitchen, the old kitchen. This is the name of the video. Start over here, right over there. Let me show them the kitchen. I want to show them. Mein Buntag, amiga. Salamat. This is a typical kitchen in the Philippines. And now this is some of the waste wood. This is much more of a kitchen than I have. I have a tin can. And here we have, this is firewood for the kitchen and some scaffolding. Now this is high-tech scaffolding in the Philippines. Okay, now we're gonna wrap this up. Buntag, amigo. This is high-tech scaffolding in the Philippines. There's no doubt about that. Okay, and then this is an outside Sa Castilla, so it's probably a shower area, and that's it. The finished product. There's a very nice. Very nice. This is life in the Philippines, my friends. And have a great day from Michael Fazio and Daisy May in the Philippines, baby. Fresh coconut. You gotta love it.